Many people think that Wealthy Affiliate is a scam. So in this video I am going to show you whether Wealthy Affiliate is a legit platform or a scam. But before, if you do not know about my channel, then it is all about money making tips, digital marketing, becoming an entrepreneur, how to start your journey from home and leave 9 to 5 job, and also I will show you different case studies here. So if you are interested in those things, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button to get notified when I create new videos for you. Before starting today's topic, if you want to make money online from home using my most recommended system, then I have mentioned the link in the description box below. This is the system which I have used and learned all those skills which helped me to make money online. When I have started out with this platform, I was totally a beginner just like you, and these are the results just because of using this system, training and tools. You can join it as a free member and see what is inside. So let's get started. And many people have asked me whether Wealthy Affiliate is a scam site or a legit site. I am telling you clearly that I am a member of Wealthy Affiliate for more than 4 years. And when I have started with the Wealthy Affiliate, I didn't know anything at all about online business. I do not know what is a niche, how to create website, how to start monetizing your website and make money from the affiliate marketing. So I was in the finance field and but I have an eager to work online. And when I have looked at the Wealthy Affiliate and people recommended this platform to me, and I have found tons of positive reviews, so I have joined the system 4 years back. And now the earning that I am making all because of this Wealthy Affiliate platform. If you just look at my stats, I have multiple earning streams. I am also promoting Wealthy Affiliate as well, and you are seeing that in current month I have reached $332, and I am making money with the ClickBank, Google AdSense, Max Bounty, and there are other platforms out there. And this is all because of Wealthy Affiliate, because I have learned all those skills with the Wealthy Affiliate. So those people who are saying that Wealthy Affiliate is a scam, they are just calling everything a scam. They just look everything on a short term basis. Maybe they've joined Wealthy Affiliate for 1 to 2 months and they thought that we will start seeing massive result within 1 to 2 months. But that's not the way to go with the Wealthy Affiliate or even with the other platforms as well. It takes time in order to get results. And when I've started back, and for the 4 and 5 months I didn't saw results at that time, but I do not lose my hope. I started putting my effort on the business, and ultimately I start seeing results even with the other members of the Wealthy Affiliate. And I have read many posts on the Wealthy Affiliate community and are very active here just on reading posts in the Wealthy Affiliate. And all those people who are getting success with the Wealthy Affiliate, they have been in this site for more than 1 year, 2 years. Those are taking this business opportunity on a long term basis. So if you are one of those who want to start their journey with the Wealthy Affiliate, I suggest you Wealthy Affiliate is the best platform to start your journey. I have also mentioned the link in the description box, and please join this link. Please join Wealthy Affiliate using this link, and you will get all the information, and including my support as well. So just if anyone who are still not think that Wealthy Affiliate is a legit platform, just I'm going to show you few of the success stories. I have just shown my result here, and this is just my one income stream, and I am earning money from the other platform as well. But believe me, I am doing this online business on a part-time basis. If I have put more effort on a full-time basis, I can achieve much more than currently I am earning. Just look at the results here. This guy Jerry Huang has earned 100k in a week, and he is in the Wealthy Affiliate community for more than 2 years, and 40k in a 4 hours Vegas 2019, and he has been, he has shared his stats here and how he has achieved this. It is all because he have joined Wealthy Affiliate and learned all those skills here. Next guy, this is a Dom Web, and he is running a site called, I will show you his site, Human Proof Designs. He started his journey with this website and start seeing some massive results, after 1.5 year. And I have seen his post in the community where he have said that he has achieved 10K mark in a month, and that's quite some time now. I have seen his post, and now he may be earning more than 20-30K per month. And what he is offering in this website, just move to the services. He is selling ready-made affiliate websites, content, SEO packages, keywords packs, and training out there, and he is making ton of money with those things. Just move to the third thing, Eddie Solomon. He has shared his post, my blogs earned over 100K part-time in 2018. So he has just shared his post here and share that he is making money with the CPM marketing, selling different products and showing Google ads on his website, and these all cumulatively made over 100K part-time in 2018. Just move to this lady, Little Mama. 2018 year in review, 40K. Thank you, Wealthy Affiliate. Happy New Year. She has earned over 40K in 2018. Just look at her income stats. In 2016 she has earned only $54, so might be she just started at the end of the 2016, and in 2017 she has earned nearly $1,700, and in 2018 she has earned over $40,000. So just you are seeing that how it goes. Everything takes time. Please try to understand this. Don't think this business on a short-term basis. Invest in your business and you will start growth like this. So she has shared his over 600 posts on her blog, over 600 posts, and she has received almost 370K visitors in 2018. So that's massive. Next, move to this guy, RD40, officially a 6-figure business, 2018 year-end report. He has shared that how he has in total I made 24,000 for the month of December. Just in the month of December 2018 he has earned 24K, and 110K for the year. In 2018 he has earned over 110K, and it still doesn't feel real to me. So these are the results people are getting with the Wealthy Affiliate. So not everyone will succeed, but only those people will succeed who are taking this business opportunity on a long-term basis, who are putting effort, consistency, and have patience. So these are the part of key to your successful life. And if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. If you wanted to be part of this Wealthy Affiliate platform, I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can join this system for free. Thank you.